Hi, in this video, let me show you how to install Discord on your HP laptop. So let's get started right away. Step number one is to open any web browser. I'll go ahead and open my Microsoft Edge, but could have been Google Chrome. On the search bar here, type discord.com and press enter. Once you are on the official website, we need to download it. So the first option should be download on top. Press on it, select download for Windows, and it will start right away. It takes around a minute to fully download. Once it's downloaded, you're going to see this. You can press open file. If you don't see anything similar appearing, don't worry. Go in your file explorer, select downloads, and Discord setups should be here. So double click on it. Press on yes, and now all you have to do is to go ahead, put your email address or phone number associated with your account, type your password and press logged in. If you have Discord installed on your iPhone or Android smartphone, you can also simply scan this QR code and you'll be able to log in using your phone, which could be easier. Thanks for watching. I hope this was useful. Leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.